In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet. To use the MetaMask wallet, we need to download the browser extension. To do so, head over to your navigation bar and type in metamask.io. Click on either download button, whichever you fancy, and we'll be taken to a download page. We can then see supported browsers and a button that says install for Chrome or whichever browser you may be using. Simply click Add to Chrome. After MetaMask has been successfully added to Chrome, we'll receive a confirmation in the top right and be taken to a new page where we can click on Get Started. After doing so, we're presented with two options. We can either import an existing wallet or create a new one. I'm going to be creating a new wallet for the purposes of this tutorial. Agree to help MetaMask gather data if you like, and then enter a secure password for your account. Click on Terms of Use to see the MetaMask Terms of Use. After you've read through them, you can agree to them by clicking on the checkbox next to it. We're then given information regarding our secret recovery phrase. This is all very important information, and I highly recommend reading over all of this until you have a decent understanding, as well as watching the video provided by MetaMask. Clicking on Next will take us to more information regarding our secret recovery phrase, as well as the option to reveal it. After revealing, don't show this to anyone and record it either on your phone, a physical notepad, take a picture. Feel free to get creative as long as it's secure. You will then be prompted by MetaMask to input all of the words in order to ensure that you have it memorized or written down. Click Confirm when done, and we're done. From here we can see account name, address, we have the options to buy, send or swap, and we can see our transaction history under activity. If you click on your account name at the top, you can copy your wallet address to your clipboard so you can paste it freely. And that concludes this tutorial on how to set up your MetaMask wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Alternatively, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us there. And remember to stay tuned for more NFT related content. Goodbye for now, and have a good day.